So what I did is I put a little kink in the silicone hose between the turbo and the mass airflow, and it changed the noise intensity. It's not as bad as before. It's definitely the air intake making that noise. It's like a, but almost like a squeal, like a high-pitched squeal. I'm gonna remove that and see if it's louder without it. Basically, I just choked that hose a little bit. And there goes my phone on the ground. It's gone now. Oh man, too funny. It's completely gone now after having that pair of pliers on that hose, just kind of distorting it. It's definitely the air intake. They called it Luft something, and if you Google squealing noise after that intake install, it's quite common. I changed the belt because I thought that was it, and that belt was glazed. So if anything, you got a new belt out of it. But yeah, it's not doing it right now. So it's definitely an intake noise. I did hear it. It sounded like birds chirping. Yeah, it's completely normal now. So I would maybe look into, if you can't stand the noise, I think the only way is to get a factory airbox and a factory filter and a factory intake hose. So the factory intake hose is ribbed. It has all these ridges in order to eliminate any turbulences. Yeah, it's not doing it now. I did hear it though. But the hose that's on this car is a smooth silicone hose, so it would make more wind noises. But yeah, I drove it, let's see, 25.6 miles, no leaks, everything is good, no codes, so all the readiness monitors are set. She's all yours.